right, I'm at my sister's house and it's windy, so if it's windy on the phone, I am so sorry. But this is what the broccoli is looking like. This one, nope, this one is the biggest. If I say no, this one is what this one looks like. Look like it's the biggest. I'm so excited, like you guys have no idea. Am I supposed to cut these leaves down here? Because I have been watching a lot of videos and people don't have any leaves like towards the bottom of their, I'm gonna just do it. I mean, while I'm over here, I might as well do it. All right, and mine doesn't stand up on its own. It does look weak though. It is a weak stem. So yeah, so I'm assuming that, is this a separate plant? What is going on with this? Okay, no, it's coming from here. All right, so yeah, but like I was saying, I'm assuming because I have all of these stems on here, it's weighing it down. So let me just go ahead, and I'm probably about to head to Lowe's and get some sticks so that they can stand up. Because like I said, I've been watching other people's videos, and I know I shouldn't compare myself to other people, but all the other videos that I've seen, their broccoli, like they're standing up on their own. Now granted, theirs were not in like grow bags like mine is, but still, like, shouldn't it still stand up? Am I doing something wrong? Y'all always know that's always my question. Am I doing something wrong? I know I should have went back there and got my shears, but you know, it is what it is. This is the one that I brought from the back. It's just doing whatever. And then this, I brought this spinach plant or spinach grow bag up here to see if it makes a difference from being in the back or being in the front. So there's one in the back and there's one up here. So I want to see what's going to be the difference. And I had picked both of them at the same time. So this one, I had like picked a great deal of spinach last time. So I don't know. But yeah, let me go ahead and finish getting these leaves off. I think because I hope that everybody done broke this off. Look at my, why does it look like that? Like, what is going on? Too much water. We have gotten a lot of rain. Like oh, that's another little broccoli. Huh. Now it makes me wonder, was it, there was another little broccoli in there. What the world? I did not know that. Okay, well, let me stop doing that. Now that I've probably killed my plants, let's see what the back, oh my goodness, you guys, wait till I show you this. I just came in the back. Look how good they look. Oh yeah, if you guys can tell, we got a lot of rain. Like, it was just raining this morning. Okay, let me move this, let me put this stuff over here. But oh my gosh, look at my collards. Look at my kale, y'all. This one is showing it's behind. Okay, come through. Y'all back here, y'all need to catch up. What are y'all doing? This one is showing it's behind. Shower, it is so muddy. So muddy out here. This one, and I did feed them. I didn't record it, but I did feed these. And that's probably another reason why they are doing good. Let me show you guys what I fed them with. So this is the plant food that I used on these. So you just mix it with water. I did have this still at my sister's house. I didn't have like the plant food that I just bought. So I was like, whatever, I'm about to just use this, and look at them. Look at them, y'all. Look at them, look at them. Okay, so it does make a difference with the spinach because the one up front looks a whole lot fuller. But then anyways, y'all, I can't get over this. I cannot get over this. Now, I will have to cover these up on Wednesday because it's supposed to snow come Thursday. But we'll see, And I need to cover up this as well. So I brought Zion over here and I showed him my garden. I was like, doesn't it look lovely? He was like, yeah. But he was like, that one naked, talking about the grapevine tree or whatever the heck it's called. Why you call it naked, y'all? You guys, he is such a silly little boy. I am just amazed. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna have to clean up back here too when it's not like super wet, but we've been getting a lot of rain. Tell me if I should pull this one up. I'm not exactly sure what's going on with it. Like, the leaves are not, maybe I honestly don't know what's going on with it. These ones are a little tiny too. I'm not understanding why. Like this one is doing great, but then some of them, I don't know. Just like that one over there in the corner is doing great. Is the corner, that doesn't make any sense. Like the corner is better than, yeah, that wouldn't make any sense, right? Yeah, I don't know. But I can't wait to eat some collards and some kale. That is all that I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you all in my next one. Bye.